Yummy Mutton Keema recipe. Healthy food recipes with friendly chef's kitchen. Like, subscribe and share my video. Let's prepare the keema balls first. Add 1 cup of chana dal to a mixer grinder and grind as fine powder. Add the powder to a mixing bowl. Add ginger slices and 2 green chili. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 10 garlic pieces. Grind well. Add mutton pieces to the mixer jar in a small quantity. Grind well. Add the grind paste to the mixing jar. Chop or grind the coriander leaves. Add chopped coriander leaves to the mixing bowl. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Make round balls the mixture. Keema balls are ready. Let's prepare the masala paste. Fry onion, ginger, garlic, clover, cinnamon stick, green chili, and 2 teaspoons of oil. Add all the fried ingredients to a mixer jar. Add 2 tomatoes. Add coconut shredded powder. Add coriander leaves. Add mint leaves. Add 10 garlic pieces. Add 3 spoons of chili powder. Grind well. Now let's prepare the sambar. Add 3 spoons of cooking oil to a cooker. Add 1 chopped onion. Add mutton pieces. Mix well. Let it boil for some time so the water will be released. Add turmeric powder. Add the grinded masala paste to the cooker. Mix well by adding 1 glass of water. Add 4 glasses of water. Add 1 spoon of rock salt. Mix well. Drop the keema balls to the sambar gently. Close the lid and wait for 4 whistles. Insert a hot iron rod to get smoky flavor. Mutton keema sambar is ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.